Hi everyone, I'm Karishma, and now I'm also known by hashtag Girl on Hot Wheels. A lot of you know me, a lot of you have recently started following me. A lot of you messaged me and DM'd me also on my Instagram and on my Facebook page asking me why am I on the wheelchair. So today I'll tell you why and what happened. About 5 years back, I fell from a height about approximately first floor, a little above than that, in Goa, and unfortunately, I broke my spine. I immediately had to be taken for a surgery. The surgery happened. After I was operated upon in Goa, I was brought back to Delhi as a stretcher case, and since I was on the stretcher, we straight went to Indian Spinal Injury Center, which is in Vasant Kunj. There I was treated under Dr. H.S. Chabra. My complete rehab program happened for about 3 months initially, so almost closer to 1 month in Goa where my surgery happened. After that, 3 months in Delhi hospital, and almost after 4 months when I was rehabilitated, I was trained on the wheelchair to do my basic activities. After that, I was got back home. Life's been different after this accident. Of course, it was completely a life-changing incident that happened. Slowly, I took time. I took my complete time to get back to my things. Touch wood, my family, my friends, my old relatives, everybody has been very, very supportive. I've been very, very lucky to have everybody by my side. So many things I see with such a different perspective now. Life is more important. Nothing else really matters. If you're there today, living, happy, it's the best thing that could have happened to anybody. I see a lot of cases in the hospital. I think that is also something which keeps giving me a push to feel blessed that thank God my hands are fine. I see a lot of people in my hospital who have been hit neck down below, and unfortunately their hands also do not work. Yes, it was a huge loss for me and my entire family, but still I had a lot of things to be thankful about. I've gathered a lot of courage to come back with the same attitude, to live my life, to be back to what I was. You see that in my videos. I'm working out, I'm back to, due to corona, of course, 1 year was really tough, which was for everybody. So I've started going back to exercises. I've again motivated myself and charged myself to get back to workout. There are a lot of blessings I'm thankful to. There are a lot of blessings I'm thankful for. Wheelchair, I don't think really has had a lot of impact on me. The accident was, the fall was, it was a life and death situation. But wheelchair has not really changed me so much, because I still do a lot of my things which I used to do. I go and visit friends, I work, I do so many other things normally like a normal person. Let's say if a person takes about 10 minutes to do a task, I take 20, but I do the task, and that's the most important thing for me. So I won't say wheelchair has put me down. I thank it sometimes that thank God I have a wheelchair, thank God I can still move around, thank God I can go to office, I can travel, I can be on the wheelchair, do household things which I keep doing. सबकी लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं, सबको अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स से ज़्यादा दिखती है. उसी तरीके से मेरे लिए मेरी प्रॉब्लम सबसे बड़ी है. इट्स अ नेचुरल ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी, बट ट्राई टू बी मोर काइंड टू पीपल, ट्राई टू बी गुड टू पीपल जेन्युइनली. दिल से सबके लिए अच्छा सोचो. If you ever see someone on the wheelchair, do not stare at them, please. We're just normal, as normal. It's just that I'm not standing and doing things, I'm sitting and doing things, but I'm doing everything. And the last thing I want to see is somebody staring at me. I hate it. Initially, I started going to the malls and I was scared. One time I made a trip and I decided I'm never going again. Unless I challenged myself that no, I'll give it one more try. I went back to the same mall, and this time, slowly, after few visits, I was more confident. And I realized the kind of attitude I carry for myself, people reflect that. If I saw myself as a bichari or with sympathy, I saw that in people's eyes. And the minute I was normal, confident, even when I'm sitting, people were reflecting that. So to all my friends who are on wheelchair, please do not lose confidence. You are just sitting. Rest, you can do everything. And for those who are standing, please just treat people on wheelchair very normally, because the feeling is absolutely normal. So when I got this opportunity of getting back to work, getting back to my life, yes, it's taken a long time, 5 years, but slowly I feel I'm back, I'm getting back. And now that I am confident, strong, happy and smiling, I want to make sure that a lot of people who are sitting on the wheelchair also have that feeling. If they don't, if they have, very good. But if somebody who feels sad, who doesn't feel good about themselves, the one who feels, हाय मेरे साथ क्या हो गया, no, इससे बहुत बुरा भी हो सकता था. So thank God कि भगवान जितना हुआ आपने बाकी बचा लिया. Thank you. जो भी छोटी छोटी प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं उसमें कहीं ना कहीं छोटी छोटी ब्लेसिंग्स भी छुपी होती हैं. बस वी हैव टू सी देम, वी हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई देम. इट्स वेरी ईजी टू कीप सीइंग हाय मेरे साथ क्या हो गया, हाय मेरे साथ क्या हो गया में भी एक कहीं ना कहीं एक रे ऑफ होप होती है. सो आपके पास इन एक्सीडेंट्स के बाद या लाइफ में ऐसे बैड इंसिडेंसेस के बाद 2 चॉइसेस होती हैं. या वही देखते रहो जो हुआ, या फिर उस बैड टाइम में भी एक ऐसी चीज़ ढूंढो जो अभी भी हो सकती है. एंड दैट इज़ वॉट आई डिड. सो ऑन दैट नोट, थैंक यू so much for listening to me. I hope I can make more videos under #Girl on Hot Wheels. Keep smiling, stay happy and be kind. See you. Namaste.